Welcome back to our channel. Today my topic is 29 states.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaradi,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Chhattisgarh, Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Himachal Pradesh, Shimla,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar and Jammu,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Uttarakhand.
Dehradun. Thank you. Share, like, subscribe.